all Prakash, Avinash, Devi, Harsha, Kiran, Mahesh, Mohanraj.
No, sir. Yes.
Any doubts? Yes, Prakash. So, I have a question for you. Hey, why everybody is left? Okay, no problem. So, I have a question for you. Why somebody needs to conduct an audit? Why somebody needs to conduct an audit on
They
IT
need,
systems?
they need to know about the financial assets. I mean, how many? I mean, how much amount they get and how much amount they give to the salaries or and someone and ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళు దేని మీద ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసినా సరే, ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళకి ఎవరైనా ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసినా సరే, ఇవి ఐ మీన్ మనీ అనేది కొంచెం అటు ఇటు అవుతుంది. సో మనం ఆడిట్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల మనం అంటే ఎంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఉన్నాము, మన ఫైనాన్షియల్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంది అనేది మనం తెలుసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. సో దానివల్ల మనము
I'm asking about IT systems, not financial controls, because we
Okay.
won't do anything with financial controls.
Okay.
Why, as an IT auditor, we need to audit the IT systems? That's what my question.
Are we compliant not with the current company policies and
Yesterday I didn't use all these words. Yesterday I used very layman terminology. This audit is needed. So,
Due to maintain the transfer of the company's records and which are listed in the stock market, like this kind of things.
First, you need to say it's a regulation. According to the SOX Compliance Act, it's a regulation to do the audit. Definitely, whether you like it or dislike it, definitely you need to conduct an audit on your IT systems. That's for sure. That's for Pika. First thing. So, second thing. So, yesterday we saw an interesting word called independent, internal, external. We spoke a number of things, but we didn't got into any conclusion on that. Today we do all the things. So, what do you think who's an independent auditor according to you? According to
is very low.
According to you, who's an internal auditor? I'm asking. Actually, as a layman, as a new student for this ITGC, what do you think? Who might be an independent auditor? Who might be?
The person who the person who is not a company employee. It is an individual kind of thing that he need to maintain, like a chartered accountant. He is an individual person. He don't have any kind of kind of relation with the company. He is not at all an employee of our organization. So he is an outside person. So if he certifies that we are following all the controls and everything is going in a proper way, so that the government also believe that.
But this is US company, no, Trumla. So then how US government will accompany with our CS decision?
Like someone will come from the another company, like external auditor, which is not with our organization.
Kiran, I'm asking only Trumla. Trumla,
Sure,
You
sir.
said the chartered accountants from India. So how the US government, will rely on Indian CAs?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. I'm not getting.
What I'm asking is, you said that chartered accountant, how a
Yeah.
chartered accountant's opinion will be respected in US government, because we are speaking about SOX, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, which is a regulation in US. Or so what I'm asking is how the CA signature, how the CA's review will be legitimated to US government, because CA is a professional certification which is given by ICAI.
Yeah.
So how his signature is valid in US? That's what my question. Got it?
Yes, sir. Actually, according to
Yeah.
my knowledge, in India, that POX Act will be not required. Actually, for only US based companies, POX Act need to be required. For as per the POX Act,
It's not, it's not stocks. Yes,
sir,
more
no,
yes.
so voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, more yes. It's not stocks. It's
Yeah.
socks.
Yes, yes. As per this thing, like stocks thing, the individual person, the person who is not as an internal company employee, someone need to come from outside, and he need to like you need to verify the things like the controls are going in a proper way or not, and they need to report it to the SOX.
Mm. Basically, anybody got the doubt? CA is from India. So how his signature will be valid in US? Anybody got the doubt?
No, sir.
That's whether it might be anything in US. Let me share my screen. Am I audible perfectly now? Am I audible perfectly now to everyone?
Now, okay, sir. From my
Yes.
end.
Yes, sir.
So the independent auditor means he is a person, he is a person from an external organization. Why? 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 Let's say where Kiran is working in TCS. Where Kiran is working? Kiran is working in TCS. Okay. So TCS is being audited. TCS is going to audit. So TCS asked Kiran to audit. Okay. So Kiran found some issues or gaps. So, but it's coming to his own company, because it's his own company. This is his own company. So if Kiran reports these issues, if Kiran reports these issues, Kiran is ruining his own company reputation. Will you agree or disagree? Will everyone agree to the statement or disagree to the statement? I think my question is not clear to you. Kiran, unmute your mic.
Yeah.
You are working in TCS.
Yeah.
And you need to audit TCS.
Okay.
And there are some gaps in TCS. In audit, you saw some of the controls are failing.
Okay.
Some of the controls are failing. You saw that.
Can
you able to report these? I mean, like, yes, I saw these failures. So these are the failures like that. Can you able to call it out?
Yeah, so this depends on scenario. Like sometimes we can't figure it and we can't complain our organization to the someone,
Not
right?
sometimes, not sometimes, all the time.
Every
That's what
time,
I'm
all the time. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying here. So here the audit is biased. The audit is biased. The audit is partial. So that's why government will not consider this person's audit report because he's an internal organization. So that's why this independent auditor came into the picture. This independent auditor belongs to other organization. Belongs to other organization, which is not related to this company. That's how by Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, these big fours evolved because of this. These are the auditing firms. These are the auditing firms. Here till now or any doubts? Guys, if nobody speaks, let's close the session, guys. Let's close the session. Thanks for joining. Let's close the session then. Everybody is busy with their works, I think. No doubts, right? For everyone. Arun, Avinash, Devi, Kiran, Mohandas, Durga, Chaudhary, Prakash D, Raghuram, Rajesh, Ram Prasad, Ramu. No doubts, right? We'll close the session, right? Nobody want to speak? I am asking, is this clear or any doubts?
It's clear, but I got call from, so I am unable to hear your voice. So I don't know what happened.
Now
Only for
also
30
is
seconds.
to hear.
No, sir, I got clear. I'm clear about it.
Hello.
So, yes.
Hello, sir. Devi. Myself, Devi.
Yes,
Today is the first session for me.
Okay. So do one thing, Amma. After the session, go to the previous demo and watch the
Yes,
demo
yes.
as well.
I'm not at receipt. Today is the first session. Can you explain what I explained previous classes? I'm not getting what you are telling.
So that's what, Amma. It's a 45 minutes class. I can't able to say all 45 minutes class today, right? Just after the session, go to the first session and see the session.
Okay.
If at all you're having any doubts, then call to Mohan and Mohan will take me into a conference. Then I'll speak with you. If at all you have any doubts. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
So this is how external auditors will come and will do the audit. So how the external auditor will know what are the controls that we are using inside the organization. Yesterday I said, anybody can able to say that? Anybody remember that?
Change management control and incident management control, patch management.
How how those will be, how, let's say, you are an organization, Durga Chaudhary. I am the external auditor. How I will know what are the change management controls that you are using, incident management controls that you are using. How I know? That's what I'm asking.
They will provide you the document which can be need to be done.
RCM document.
RCM
Yes.
document.
Yes, exactly. Good. Good hearing skills. Appreciate it. So, based on the RCM, the external auditor will get the RCM and he will audit this RCM. Show you the RCM how it look like. Just a minute. This is how the RCM will look like. The control classification, like change management control or incident management control or vulnerability management control, like that. And the risk description, risk category, control objective, control activity. Yesterday I said control description or activity. This column will say what is the control, requests or program changes, system changes, maintenance, or something. So this is the control description. What we need to audit. And this column will be called as test of controls. The last column will be called as test of controls. Test of controls is nothing but how we need to test this control here and what are the evidences that we need to collect. So this is what your job is. But to audit this, how will you know the change management? To do this, how will you know the change management? To do this, how will you know the incident management? To do this, how will you know the vulnerability management? Those will be taught in our class. So, sir, so
Sir, your voice was breaking, sir.
where it's exactly breaking? Till what point you're audible?
Okay.
To what point you're audible?
అండ్ ఇక్కడ వరకు బాగానే వస్తుంది సార్. మీరు ఫ్లో లో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్కసారి అది బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
So, sir, so how we will differentiate? How we will differentiate SOC 1? How we will differentiate financial controls and IT controls? How we will differentiate? That's the major doubt you will get. Sir, how we will do? If somebody is asking in SOX, how we will differentiate? Sir, we even listen this word SOC. What it is? So, all financial controls will comes under SOC 1. SOC is nothing but security / system / service organization controls. Somebody calls as security organization controls. Somebody will call as system organization controls. Some call as service organization controls. All are same. Not this, the naming convention is different. So whenever you are seeing this SOC 1, that means SOC 1. It's saying that it's a financial audit. Financial controls involved. Then yesterday I said, how will you do this financial controls audit? How will you do financial controls audit? How will you do the financial controls audit?
A financial control audit in the sense like SOC 1, we will not do, no sir. We will do only quality control.
What will do?
Financial,
What will do?
we will do
SOC
IT
1,
control.
it's none of our business. SOC 1 is none of our business. We won't do. What we will do? We will do SOC2, system / security / service organizational controls 2. That means other than financial controls. What is other than financial controls? That means IT controls, organization controls, HR controls. So all these other than financial controls will comes under SOC2. Who will do this? Who will do this? Yesterday's class, I said, who will do this?
ITGC.
will do. IT auditor will do.
An auditor will be done by
We IT auditors will do this. So then, sir, what is SOX? Then what is SOC 1 and SOC 2? Today, we clearly spoken. There is a first one clause is matriculated. That is, financial controls need to be audited every year by an independent auditor and need to be submitted. Then clause 2, other than financial controls also need to be audited. So, SOX is a combined report of financial controls and IT controls as well. But when we are coming to SOC 1 and SOC 2, SOC 1 is directly financial controls, exclusive financial controls. SOC 2 is exclusive other than financial controls. Okay. And keep in mind, these reports will be given only by external auditor. These reports only given by external auditor, not internal auditor. Sir, then, why internal auditor need to be present? You are saying SOC 1 or SOC 2 not being given by internal auditor, and again you are saying he can't be able to audit. His audit report is not valid by government. You are only saying all these things. Then why this person need to be present inside the organization? Why?
Like the organization should be maintained in a proper way to which cannot be impacted in future. Like, am I right?
Pardon.
So they have to take care of the whatever the issues not to be done. In like if an external auditor will be come and done, right? They want to take care of the issue should not happen. That is the role of this internal auditor.
A perfect point. But I'll explain to the people in an understandable way. But what he said is, I got his point and he's right. That's only the answer. So, this is a house ABC. This is a house ABC. And here there is a almara. Okay. There is an almara. In this almara, we kept gold. We kept silver. We kept diamonds. Okay. Okay. And we kept this almara keys in rice drum. Okay. While if at all we are in the house, it will be there in the rice drum. If we are not there in the house, it will be there in the rice drum because it's coming from ages. Okay. So I am searching for a trustworthy person to keep my black money. I am searching for a trustworthy person who can maintain my black money. Okay. So I am going to each and every person's home. I am going to each and every person's home. And I am searching with respect to security. How these guys are maintaining, their security in the home. How they're securing their assets. Assets means gold, something. How they're maintaining actually. So I am going to each and everyone's home and I'm checking. So when I came to this ABC home, do you think will I give my black money to them to keep safe in their almara and to keep the keys in rice drum? Do you think I will do it or not? Durga Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Unmute it. So my question is, in your home, in your almara, you're keeping gold, silver, and other valuable diamonds, and you're keeping the almara keys in your kitchen rice drum. Okay?
Okay.
Ram Prasad, unmute your mic. Ram Prasad.
Yes, sir.
So you have 10,000, let's say 1 CR of black money, and you're searching for trustworthy persons who are maintaining their assets, their gold or their something in their home very securely. When you visited Durga Chaudhary's house, if Durga Chaudhary's house is being like how I said, keeping gold, silver, everything in almara and keeping that keys in the rice drum, if at all you got to know this, will you keep your 1 CR out there?
No.
Why?
How can I trust him?
How? Why you are not trusting him?
He's not like he's not he's an unknown person for me.
It's not like that. It's not in that case I'm speaking. Just give me a moment. It's not. No. So I'm not speaking with respect to unknown person. See, okay, good. Here, if at all we speak, Ram Prasad, if at all we are speaking about this external auditor, If at all you're speaking about this external auditor is also an unknown person to the entity, no? Then why is government is saying that one unknown person need to come and certify? This external person is also unknown, no?
Yes.
Then how this logic is working? See in the perspective of security. That's what my question. See in the perspective of security. So you know the whole street, and you're going and you're auditing how these guys are maintaining assets, how these guys are maintaining gold, silver, and everything in their houses. That's what you need to check.
Yeah, correct.
How will you do that? Harsha, unmute.
Sir.
So again I'm asking you.
Okay, sir.
Again I'm asking you. Listen carefully. You are having 1 CR. You are having 1 crore of black money.
Yes.
You are going to US. You want to keep this black money with someone in someone's house or something. Okay. So
I won't give to Prasad, sir, because there I can't see any security in there, because it's common. Many of them were keeping their keys on those rice
right.
drums. I can't see any security with them.
Perfect. So Harsha, answer this question. Answer
Yes.
this question. When from the ages it's coming in our homes, then how our mothers or grandmothers knows that it's a security violation? How they can able to know that? See, she cooks, she
Yes, sir.
feeds baby, and
Yes.
she is very busy with the family responsibilities. How she can know your mother or my mother, your grandmother or my grandmother will know it's a security violation? We can't able to go to them. We can't able to go to them and say to them like, "Hey, this is not a security practice. You shouldn't keep it like this." We can't able to say no.
Yes, sir.
Then how it will work? Guys,
Because
same with the organizations. Same with the organizations. There is a development team, there is a testing team, there is a DevOps team, there is HR team, and number of teams will be there inside the organization. So it's not like you can able to go to them and you can able to ask them, hey, this is not a regular practice. This is not a good practice. Please stop it. How now? Let's say I'm a development person. I know coding. I'm a development guy. How I know what is complaint and what is not complaint? I'm not an auditor. If at all I'm a cybersecurity guy, I know incident management. I know how to resolve the incidents, but I don't know what is complaint and what is not complaint. And I am a HR. I don't know what is complaint and what is not complaint. So to deal with all the things inside your organization, to maintain the control efficiency, to maintain the control effectiveness, we need internal auditor. That's where if somebody comes to our home, if we are keeping our keys in our pocket and no duplicate keys, that means it's a security measure. Who will say you that? Our internal auditor. He will say that, hey, Karthik, you are doing development. It's very nice. It's very good. But the posters what you're using, it's not good. The posters what you're using, it's not good. So you need to work on it. So all these things we need to know. All these things we need to know. Is this clear or any doubts?
yes, sir.
Any doubts? So yesterday I got one Good question, actually. By the way, I need to say this as a very good question. The question is, sir, AI is coming. What's the future of ITGC? Anybody can say this answer. Anybody can say this answer. Mic is open. I want somebody to say this answer.
The human and the human errors cannot be like completely. The AI cannot do all these operation things, right? Like audit, internal audit, external. The human interfere.
One second, Kiran. Except Devi Garu, I want everybody to answer. Everyone to answer. I want to listen. Everybody answer. Whether you will join or not. If at all you want to leave right now. If at all you don't want to answer, leave right now. But I want everybody to be answered. Right from Bala to Xiaomi 23124 RM871. Till that point, I want to answer. Yes, Bala.
Yeah, ITGC is a manual process which has to be done by us. So AI, evolution will not affect us, affect our work.
SVR. Subbu.
Yeah.
Yes, Subbu. Once again,
Yeah,
Subbu.
Hello.
Subbu, answer.
So the AI have the chances to what I can say. They cannot judge like a human, as per my opinion.
SVR.
Yeah, artificial intelligence basically it follows the guidelines, but it cannot have the common sense of a human being to judge, to make a decision. Yeah.
Next. Harsha. Kiran.
Yes, sir. The same thing like a human. They cannot. The AI cannot impact because we have to take the decision ourselves manually.
So okay. So how many will you agree that AI will take ITGC off? How many are agreeing to it? How many are you agreeing that AI will take this ITGC up?
AI evolution will not affect our work. That's for sure.
To be frank, like we have only entered in the 2 classes. In upcoming days, we can get to know. I think as of now, we have not aware of all the things, right?
Did you ever listen? Did you ever listen? This standard.
No, we only listened 27,001. Yeah.
Yeah, listen this, but I'm asking about this.
No, sir. We never did.
Guys, this is a standard. This is a standard where we need to certify. We need to certify AI. We need to certify AI, stating that you are working perfect. So we are the persons whom even need to certify AI. You are good. We are this standard will say how to audit AI. It might be agentic AI or Gen AI, anything. This is how it need to be. So AI can't be able to replace by us. And another thing I'm saying, this is just a knowledge pill. It's just a knowledge pill. Consume it like that only. So here, everybody is saying data analytics is the career. You can see Hey, data analytics, one of my teammate got 7 LPA recently. He gone to data analytics. And you will always listen this one as well. Data science is the future. The trend is changing, not in the future. It's happening right now. Like that, you will see some Google ads or YouTube ads. And you will listen. Data structure and algorithms having great, crazy career. So here my question is data analytics, data science. And somebody will say prompt engineers are getting 27 lakhs, 28 lakhs, 26 lakhs. Literally, I'm saying, don't fall for all these. Don't fall for all these. Why means, see, data analytics is not a single domain. Like how in ITGC we have change management, incident management, vulnerability management, so on and so forth. In data analytics, we have first you need to have Python basics up to OOPS. Then you need to have SQL. Then you need to have knowledge on any of the tools, Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, any of the things. So all these things will be required for a data analyst. See, I'll say you my story. I'll say my own story. Long back, when I was working with Amazon, I worked with Amazon since quite a long time. So I learned. I am working in non-IT. I am working in non-IT at that time. So I learned data analytics. I learned data science. I learned RPA is nothing but robotic process automation. I learned Blue Prism. I learned Blue Prism. Automation anywhere. Power Automate, Power Desktop. So what not? What not? I learned each and every course from top institutes which you are seeing in YouTube. My daily work is going to office, coming back, just a minute, guys. Just a minute. So my work daily is just to call to the institute, call to them and ask them, are you providing real time? Are you providing real time coaching? Are you giving any real time projects? Daily I'm calling each and every institute is saying yes, 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 yes. And finally, I learned DevOps. It's one of the greatest and the greatest institute, not only in YouTube, in outside as well. Those also believe scammed. So why these are scamming? Then I got to know because we are not in a good state. We are not in a good state. We are not thriving for the subject. We are just looking for the job support or getting jobs or placement assistance or something. If at all you have, if at all you have talent, why not? Why you won't get the job? So then finally we found ITGC. Finally, at that time, and me along with my friends, we took. At that time, we don't have that much money to pay for the trainings, so we took trainings on recording basis. And that trainer also bullied us, literally. He didn't show any real time. We don't know what will happen. We don't see. You need to talk in demo. Even in demo, you're seeing the RCM. We don't know what is RCM. We listen like RCM is a document where control will be placed. Other than that, we don't know nothing. So from that too, we got job, and many of the hurdles we faced, it's not an easy. Then we got to know we need, if at all we started something, we need to give in a perfect manner. So then we started. I said yesterday, you can able to see many of the students, by God's grace, with their hard work, they placed into good companies because information security professionals are very less. Information security professionals are very limited. So now it's your turn. And basically, I'm saying no prerequisites required. I can carve from the layman, but what I need is you already got it. Communication. Just normal, and basic communication skills I need. Other than that, I don't need anything from you. That's the basic expectation. That's the basic expectation. So, yes, any doubts from your end? Mic is open and you can ask anything.
Most having.
So, that's all for today, guys. Demo. And from Monday, we are starting the classes. Who is having interest to join, kindly contact to Mohan. And if at all who are not joining, all the best for your future. May God bless you with good abundance and very good course. I know if at all somebody is not joining course means that's a very cautious decision. That okay, we are not suitable for this course. I'm happy with that because you have the clarity, which suits you, which not suits you. You have the clarity, so that's hardly appreciated. Yes.
Sir, hi, sir. Just now I have joined the course. So, what is the duration, sir? Course?
Course duration is 22 to 25 classes, Mohiddin.
Okay. So, what is the timing, sir? What is the timing? I used to
Same
work in the
time,
night.
10:30 to 11:30.
Oh, sir. Thank you, sir. Awesome. So, we'll meet you on Monday, sir.
Yeah, sure. So, all the best, guys, for everyone.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, sir. Bye.